foundation, I'm going to use this matte look foundation, and it's very high coverage, and this is in the shade number 04. And I'm going to use 2 pumps of it. First I'm going to use it like this everywhere. I haven't moisturized my face yet, but the thing is why I haven't moisturized, because my skin is very oily nowadays, so I'm not going to moisturize that much. Okay, because I don't need that moisturization, even though it's very important to have moisturizer in your makeup routine or in your makeup looks, but I don't use the moisturizer because I feel very sweaty with moisturizers, so that is why I don't use it. And for my concealer, I'm going to use this Inside Cosmetics concealer in the shade number in the shade number LN10. So this is very high coverage concealer, which is great. So for today I'm going to use this SFR Heated with Love eyeshadow palette. Obviously you can see the color story, that is huge. So first I'm going to use the color, this shade, on my crease line and on my crease area. Take the fluffy brush and blend it really well. Now I'm going to use this Inglot eyeliner. It's really good eyeliner. It is good for professional use, and it is good for bridals as well, and it is really amazing. Sorry for my throat noise, because it's very disgusting, I know. Just look at that blackness, it's really gorgeous. Highly recommend. Obviously it's dried out, I can't use it, but for the Duraline I'm going to use this Miss Rose Duraline, because Inglot Duraline is very expensive, so I don't need it. So I'm going to use this Sasta Duraline, like cheap Duraline, and it's worked really good. So you can also check this one. I'm going to use only 1 drop of it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a base. Look at that blackness, that is so good, and a little goes a very long way, so I highly recommend this eyeliner. Next I'm going to use this K Beauty palette, and I'm going to use the black shade from this palette, and this is their wild and free variant. This is how the palette looks like. I'm going to use this black shade. Next I'm going to use this shade to blend the edges. Next I'm going to use this fluffy brush to blend the edges really well. Next I'm going to use same black color on my lower lash line. For the duochrome eyeshadows, I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics eyeshadows, and and this one is in the shade number 3, and this one is in the shade number 4. This is the Canadian Gleam, and this is the Finland Flush. So it's kind of a pink brown shades. Like, I love this shade so much. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Oh my god, that is really beautiful. It's best duochrome eyeshadows. Even though Forever 52 is also very good, but if you want to buy this one, you can also check this one. It's really good. Look at the finish. Shade I'm going to use is this one, shade number 3. It's a kind of a pink green tones. Tap it everywhere. Next I'm going to use this kajal from Color Bar and blend it with the same black color. Next I'm going to use this shade, like this shade, and a little bit on my lower lash line. So this is the final finish look. Just look at the eye makeup, it is looking stunning, and just look at the difference. I just love this makeup so much. If you like this makeup look, be sure to like, subscribe and share, and let me know into the comment box, did you like this makeup look, and follow me on Instagram. My handle is Rachmakeups, and please do check out my another makeup tutorials, and if you want to learn more and more makeup tutorials, let me know into the comment box. Till then, take care. Bye bye.